Did you know that dentistry is one of the most lucrative careers in the world? Yet most dentists barely scratch the surface of their earning potential? If you've ever felt that your income doesn't reflect the effort you put into your profession, you're not alone. In this video, you'll discover powerful strategies to unlock higher income opportunities as a dentist. From building a thriving practice to diversifying your income streams, these proven methods will help you maximize your career's potential. As someone who's guided countless professionals in scaling their wealth, I'm here to ensure you achieve financial freedom through dentistry. Being a dentist comes with its challenges: long hours, expensive equipment, and a constant need to attract and retain patients. Many dentists feel stuck in a cycle where their income is directly tied to the hours they work. Imagine working tirelessly only to see most of your income disappear into overhead costs or student loan repayments. It's frustrating, isn't it? But what if I told you there are ways to break free from this cycle? By understanding the true wealth potential of your profession and implementing the right strategies, you can not only boost your income but also create financial stability and freedom. Let's dive into how. 1. The wealth potential in dentistry. Dentistry is uniquely positioned among professions due to its high demand and premium pricing. Globally, dentists rank as some of the highest-earning professionals, with an average annual income surpassing $150,000 in many countries. However, these figures don't reflect the income ceiling you can achieve. For example, private practitioners often earn significantly more than salaried dentists, and specialists can command fees that dwarf general practice rates. Consider this. While a general dentist may earn $200 for a routine cleaning, an orthodontist can charge $5,000 to $10,000 for braces. Multiply that by dozens of patients per month, and you see how specialization adds up. But the key is understanding your unique value in the market and positioning yourself accordingly. Your first step? Evaluate your current services and identify opportunities to either increase your fees or expand your offerings. By taking control of your income sources, you'll not only secure higher earnings but also establish a clear path to wealth accumulation. Start now by assessing your clinic's pricing structure and patient flow. 2. Specializing. The key to higher earnings. Specialization is one of the fastest ways to increase your income as a dentist. When you're a generalist, your earning potential is limited by market averages. But specialists are in demand for their niche expertise. Fields like orthodontics, periodontics, and cosmetic dentistry not only command higher fees, but also attract patients willing to pay a premium for quality care. Take cosmetic dentistry as an example. Procedures like teeth whitening, veneers, and smile makeovers are highly sought after. Patients are often willing to pay thousands for aesthetic improvements that boost their confidence. Similarly, orthodontists offering services like Invisalign see significantly higher revenues compared to traditional braces due to convenience and popularity. Start by identifying areas of dentistry that interest you and have strong market demand. Invest in additional certifications or courses to build credibility in these niches. Once you've specialized, market your unique expertise to attract high-paying clients. Over time, this will create a ripple effect, with referrals and reputation driving even more business your way. 3. Building a profitable practice. A thriving practice isn't just about providing excellent dental care. It's about running a business. The location, branding, and marketing of your practice play a huge role in determining your income. For instance, a practice in a high-traffic urban area with a strong online presence will naturally attract more clients than one tucked away in a less accessible location. Focus on creating a memorable patient experience. From the moment someone walks into your clinic to their post-treatment care, ensure every interaction is seamless and professional. Use technology like automated booking systems or AI-assisted patient management tools to streamline operations. The result? Happier patients and more referrals. Additionally, invest in modern equipment. Advanced tools like digital scanners or 3D printers not only improve treatment outcomes, but also allow you to charge premium rates. And don't underestimate the power of marketing. Run targeted social media ads, offer promotions for referrals, and maintain an active online presence to stay ahead of competitors. 4. Leveraging digital marketing to attract clients. The world has gone digital, and so should your practice. Dentists who embrace digital marketing often see a significant increase in patient inflow. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok are excellent for showcasing transformations, while Facebook and Google Ads can target local audiences searching for dental care. Create engaging content, post videos of smile makeovers or educational clips on oral hygiene. These not only attract attention, but also establish you as an expert. For example, a dentist who regularly shares before and after transformations of teeth whitening will attract cosmetic clients seeking similar results. Online reviews are another game changer. Encourage happy patients to leave testimonials on platforms like Yelp or Google My Business. A 5-star reputation builds trust and draws new patients. 5. Expanding beyond the chair. Passive income opportunities. Why limit your income to direct patient care when you can earn passively? Many dentists are diversifying their income streams by selling dental products such as teeth whitening kits or hosting online courses. For instance, a dentist who creates an online course on maintaining healthy gums can earn thousands from sales without seeing a single patient. Similarly, investing in a dental-related YouTube channel or podcast can generate ad revenue while boosting your brand. By leveraging your expertise, you'll create long-term income streams that don't rely on the number of patients you see daily. Start by identifying areas where you're uniquely knowledgeable and explore ways to monetize them. 6. The role of networking and referrals. Building strong professional networks is a key driver of success. Collaborate with local doctors, orthodontists, or cosmetic specialists to exchange referrals. For example, a pediatrician could recommend your services for children's dental care, while you direct orthodontic cases to a trusted colleague. These partnerships create a win-win situation where everyone benefits. Additionally, consider partnering with local businesses, such as gyms or beauty salons, to cross-promote services. Such collaborations not only increase your visibility, but also bring in clients who may not have considered dental services before. 7. Mastering financial management as a dentist. Earning more is one thing. Managing that income effectively is another. Poor financial habits can undermine even the highest salaries. As a dentist, focus on budgeting, investing, and optimizing your tax strategies. For instance, using retirement accounts or investing in index funds can help you grow wealth over time. Work with a financial advisor experienced in the healthcare field to ensure you're maximizing your income. By managing your finances wisely, you'll not only enjoy higher earnings, but also secure long-term financial stability. Every day you delay implementing these strategies is a day you're leaving money on the table. Whether it's upgrading your skills, marketing your practice, or exploring passive income opportunities, the sooner you take action, the sooner you'll see results. Remember, wealth isn't just about how much you earn, but how effectively you use it to build the life you want. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below on which strategy you'll implement first. Check out the description and pinned comment for exclusive recommendations to boost your financial growth. And since you made it this far, YouTube has chosen the perfect video for you to watch next. It's on the screen right now, so click it and continue your journey toward financial freedom.